Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like more? 7 new bookshelves that I had to get installed to hold 2,000 new books that I bought. It's like the billionaire Warren talk, where I talk about how I read a book a day. You know, I read a book a day not to show off, it's again about the knowledge. In that dreams are still possible, because it wasn't that long ago that I was in a little town across the country sleeping on a